This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, October 23rd, 2019. This one I gotta go do an annual on a oil furnace. I've been doing it every year, last couple of years, so it's got a Beckett burner on it. He changes the air filter twice a year, so I don't have to worry about that. It's a low boy rear flue. Low boy is it's a furnace, and the supply and return come off the top. That's what they call a low boy. I don't think they're available anymore to buy them low boys. Usually if I change it out, just put a regular furnace and bring the return down the side and tie it in the bottom. That's usually what we do, so. Try to get you some shots. Exit oil line. Oil in the tank. New tank. Rear flue. New filter last year. Good oil flow, good draft over fire. I think I might have put this furnace in back in the day, I'm not sure. It looks like I did do a initial. Like I put it in 01. I think I did, I'm not sure. Might have been a replacement I did. A little crusty. Check the head. Seems fine. Wow. Filter's clean. That's a good sign right there. Just set them electrodes down a little more. After a while they wear out. And reset them. Bend them in a little bit and reset them. in the front, about a dime in the front. That's good. We'll check the oil flow, see what we got for oil flow. Let's see if the filters are still clean. Some guys just change the filters every year if they need it or not. I don't. I only change them if it's needed. Charge the people for what they need. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. Alright, so on the furnace, we're just going to jump out. Just going to jump out the TT. Once I turn on the power, it'll run. We'll set up our, check our oil flow. Once I start it, I'll jump out FF to keep it running so I can bleed it. That draft. I check the oil flow. If I get a wimpy oil flow, I know the filters, either this filter or the filter tank's dirty, so I'm good to go with the filters. New nozzle. Looks like he's got a new liner in the chimney. No soot. You can see it's nice and clean, no soot. It does change the filters. I know the filters are good because I talked to the lady on the phone. She said that her husband changes them all the time, so I don't have to worry about the filters. Put a sticker on there, I'm good to go. New nozzle, good oil flow, good draft over fire.